Hey everybody, this is Max Passa. We're at Gary Rome Hyundai in Holyoke, Massachusetts. Today is the Gary Rome Hyundai car show. Let's take a tour. And this year was the 20th anniversary of Gary Rome Hyundai right here in Holyoke. It opened in Holyoke back in May 1997, just 20 years ago last May. Now let's take a look at all the cars. This is a 1991 Cadillac Alliance convertible. It's one of the high-performance Lexus models. Might be the ISF model. Love the cool-looking rims on it.
Our 50/50 is 100.
It's the Hyundai Veloster. Ooh, the Chevy Corvette. Very powerful.
So we get trophies, prizes, all going up at about 11:30.
And this is the Dodge Magnum wagon. That's actually a Dodge Charger wagon based on the Chrysler 300. Yeah, I think this looks like a Jaguar convertible. It is a Jaguar. The interior looks nice, a dark green. And this looks like a Triumph. An old classic Mercury. And this looks like a Cadillac CTS sedan. Really love a Cadillac CTS. It's a very good car. And it's the all-wheel drive version.
So they do have converters, 4x10 to 6x9, but with the kicker here, the box.
Love the color of it. Wish I could sit in it. The Hyundai Tucson. Oh, the Nissan 300ZX. Rear-wheel drive. This looks like a Chevy classic car. It's like a Chevy, another classic Chevy. A custom Chevy truck in dark green. Oh, it looks like a Ford Falcon. It's like a Chrysler model, be a Dodge. It's like an Oldsmobile Torino. It's actually a Ford. Really like that Dodge Challenger with the black rims. It's all in red. This is probably a manual transmission model. It's got a supercharged Hemi.
I like the plum crazy purple. That's what I painted my motorcycle that.
Does this come in there?
And this is the Honda Civic SI Coupe. Love the black rims on it. The interior looks nice. Manual transmission.
Yellow light headset, green lights. Oh, I love that. Yeah. Your car was all the same color. Looks really cool. It's got 200 horsepower little car. It's pretty cool. Yes.
The interior looks nice. Love that Honda Civic hatchback.
I'll send it to the page.
It's like an old Toyota model. We're Toyota. This is an older Toyota Corolla wagon. This is an older Toyota Corolla coupe.
Today and tomorrow.
I'm going to be sweating to death.
Huh?
Tomorrow's delayed.
Today's qualifying.
The Ford Focus RS hatchback. This looks nice too. Manual transmission. The Hyundai Veloster. Looks good in red. And this is the Western Massachusetts disaster field, where they have the kitchen with some food and drinks. Sorry, checked out the Gary Rome Hyundai showroom earlier. I hope you enjoyed the tour around the Gary Rome Hyundai car show. I'm Max Passa. Thanks for watching. Bye.